Is it still worth being a real estate agent after the NAR settlement? That's the question making the rounds as we delve into the recent National Association of Realtors settlement. To give you a bit of a backdrop, the NAR found itself in hot water, facing class action lawsuits and accusations of unfairly high commissions and antitrust violations. The verdict? A staggering $1.8 billion in damages. This settlement is not just about the eye-watering sum, it's the ripple effects that have the industry on the edge. The settlement aims to address the accusations by amending rules on commissions. This shift is expected to take effect in the next 4 to 6 months, and it's going to change the way real estate agents receive commissions. But the fallout doesn't end there. The new landscape could lead to increased competition and lower rates. The verdict could even prompt a separation of buyers and sellers' agent commissions, potentially reshaping the industry. This settlement has the potential to drastically alter the landscape of the real estate industry. So buckle up, because we're in for a wild ride. How does this settlement impact real estate agents? Now, that's the question of the hour. Well, let's break it down. Firstly, the settlement might lead to some significant alterations in commission structures. Traditionally, real estate agents have relied heavily on commissions as their primary source of income. However, with the National Association of Realtors agreeing to amend rules on commissions, agents may no longer enjoy the same level of earnings. This could potentially lead to a tightening of belts in the industry. Secondly, the settlement could spark an increase in competition among real estate agents. As a result of the pressure to lower rates, agents might find themselves in a more competitive environment where they would need to offer additional services or lower their fees to attract clients. This could be a challenging landscape to navigate, especially for those who are just starting their careers in real estate. Furthermore, we may see a shift towards dual representation by agents. This means that an agent may represent both the buyer and the seller in a transaction. While this could potentially lead to increased efficiency, it could also raise concerns about conflicts of interest and the ability of agents to advocate effectively for their clients. In summary, the landscape of real estate is changing, and the role of agents is evolving along with it. The settlement has set in motion a series of changes that could potentially reshape the industry. Real estate agents will need to adapt quickly to these changes to stay competitive. What could the future look like for the real estate industry? As we move forward, the repercussions of the National Association of Realtors settlement could bring about significant changes. One of the most notable potential outcomes is lower home prices. With real estate commissions poised to decrease, the savings could be passed on to consumers, resulting in more affordable housing options. But this shift could also raise concerns about market inclusivity. The real estate industry has long been a field where professionals of various backgrounds and experiences can find success. With changes in commission structures, the question arises, will this diversity be maintained, or will the industry become more exclusive? Another possible outcome is the increased role of loan officers in home buying processes. As agents navigate the new landscape, loan officers could step in to collaborate more closely with agents, handling pre-approvals and becoming more integral to the buying process. The future of the real estate industry may also hinge heavily on adaptability. With the landscape shifting, agents will need to adapt to new technologies and practices to stay competitive. This could mean a shift towards increased dual representation in transactions or a greater focus on buyer choice in commission splits. But amidst these potential changes, one thing is certain: the real estate industry is not static. It's a field that's constantly evolving, driven by market forces, regulations, and consumer demands. And as it evolves, so too must the professionals who work within it. Only time will tell how these changes will shape the future of the real estate industry. So, is it still worth being a real estate agent? That's the question many are asking following the National Association of Realtors settlement. Let's weigh the pros and cons in the light of these recent developments. On the one hand, the potential for lower commissions may seem like a significant drawback, but remember, lower rates could also lead to increased competition and a more vibrant real estate market. On the other hand, the changing landscape presents an opportunity for agents to differentiate themselves. Those who can adapt to new technologies and practices, collaborate efficiently with loan officers, and offer enhanced buyer choice will likely find themselves at an advantage. Moreover, the shift towards separating buyers and sellers' agent commissions might reshape the industry, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. It could lead to increased transparency and trust, which are crucial in this business. Challenges? Yes, they are present, but so are opportunities. The real estate industry is about more than just buying and selling houses. It's about helping people find homes, making dreams come true, and building communities. And that will always be worth it. While the landscape may be changing, the opportunities for real estate agents are still vast if they can adapt to the new normal.